Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting and essential world of fractions. Fractions are a fundamental concept in mathematics that help us understand and work with parts of a whole. Imagine you have a delicious pizza. Fractions help us understand how to divide that pizza, or any whole thing, into equal parts and represent those parts numerically. Let's start with something familiar: pizza. If you would, please turn to page 42. Where you'll find some colorful pizza pie charts. These charts are perfect for visualizing fractions, making them easier to grasp. A fraction is, at its core, a part of a whole. Let's imagine our whole pizza is cut into 2 equal slices. Each slice, in this scenario, represents 1/2 of the pizza. We write this mathematically as 12. In this notation, the number on the bottom, the 2, tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. The number on the top, the 1, tells us how many of those equal parts we're currently considering or looking at. So, 1/2, 12, means we are focusing on 1 out of 2 equal parts of our pizza. Now, let's explore thirds. Imagine that, instead of cutting our pizza into 2 slices, we divide it into 3 equal slices. In this case, each slice represents 1/3 of the pizza, or 13. Again, the 3 tells us the pizza is divided into 3 equal parts, and the 1 tells us that we're examining one of those parts. If you were to have 2 slices, you'd then have 2/3, which we write as 23. Refer to the pizza charts on page 42 to visualize this concept of thirds and the proportions they represent. Next, let's look at quarters. Suppose our pizza, instead, is expertly cut into 4 equal slices. Each slice, in this case, would represent 1/4 of the pizza, or 14. The 4 tells us that the pizza has been divided into 4 equal parts. And the 1 indicates that we're focusing on a single one of those parts. If, for instance, you were to have 3 slices of this pizza, you'd have 3/4, which we write as 34. Look at the accompanying pizza charts on page 42 to further solidify your understanding of this. Can you see how fractions are fundamentally all about dividing a whole into equal parts and representing those parts numerically? Let's practice a bit more. Imagine we have a chocolate bar instead of a pizza. This is a very common way to teach fractions. If we break the chocolate bar into 2 equal parts, each part is 1/2, or 12. If we break the chocolate bar into 3 equal parts, each part represents 1/3, or 13. And, if we break the chocolate bar into 4 equal parts, each part is 1/4, or 14. Remember, the bottom number in a fraction always tells you how many equal parts the whole has been divided into. And the top number tells you precisely how many of those parts you are considering or working with. Please be sure to continue practicing with the pizza charts on page 42. Fractions may seem slightly tricky at first glance, but with a bit of practice and repetition, they will quickly become easy to understand and master. Keep up the amazing work, everyone. The world of fractions is vast, and with these basics, you're well on your way to mastering it.